Hi there, I'm Mirhan Hipalito, expert at Traders Union. I'll briefly go over how social trading works on Pocket Option, especially useful if you're just starting out or want to try copying trades from more experienced traders. There's a dedicated social trading section on the platform. The concept is simple. Choose a trader based on their performance, risk level, and number of followers, then enable automatic copying. Everything that trader does will be mirrored on your account. What's nice is that you can set your own copy limits, control how much of your balance is used, and stop copying at any time. For instance, if the trader's performance drops. There are also smarter tools built in. The platform ranks top traders based on behavior and consistency, helping you make more informed choices. That said, there are still risks. Even the best traders have losing days. But the structure can help you get oriented, especially if you're new to trading. Overall, it's a useful feature for learning by observation, watching how others trade, and slowly forming your own approach. The main point is not to copy blindly, and to regularly review whether the person you're following is still delivering good results. In short, it's easy to use, fairly transparent, but it's still important to stay in control.